Good morning, my dear little ones. Good morning. Please sit down. Dears, today we are going to play a new game. Listen me. Very interesting game. Do you know the name of the game? Guess if you can. That's the name of our game. I'm going to explain the game. Okay, dears, listen me.
I will make you hear the sounds of some creatures.
Only the sounds. You have to guess. You have to identify which creature's sound it is. That's the. Listen here. I'm going to play the first sound. All of you, close your eyes. I'm going to play the sound. Listen carefully. First. Yes, now all of you open your eyes. You say which animal sound it was. Come on. You don't say anything, Aisha. You will say which animal sound it was. Is it correct? Yes. That's the sound of elephant. Okay, now open your eyes again. I'm going to play the second sound. Please, don't open your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Don't open. Parvana, you say which animal's sound it was? Yeah! Is it correct? Yeah, that was the sound of? Very good, well done. Close your eyes again. I'm going to play the next sound. Don't open. Don't open your eyes. Don't say anything. Close your eyes. I think all of you have got the answer. Nafla, you say which animal sound it was? Nafla is saying it's horse sound. Is it correct? Yes, well done. It was the sound of horse. Sit up. Now all of you close your eyes again. Close your eyes. I think all of you recognize the sound. Okay, Sia, you tell me which animal's sound it was. Is it correct? Well done. It was lion's sound. Very good. Okay, now all of you close your eyes again. Close your eyes again. Shifa, you say which? No, that's not right.
Peacock.
Yes, what's the sound of peacock? Next. Please close your eyes. Please stand up who got the answer. Don't say anything. It was. Was it eagle's sound? Yes, it was eagle's sound. Well done. All of you open your eyes. Please stand up who got the answer. Okay, Aisha, you say the answer. Which creature's sound was it? No. This is English classroom, so you have to say the name in English. No, sparrow means kuruvi. Your answer is right, but you have to say in English. Cuckoo. Cuckoo bird. That was the sound of cuckoo. Please close your eyes again. You have to say the name in English. Don't say in Malayalam. No. Seaweed, അല്ലേ രാത്രി കരയുന്നത്. What do we call it in English? That was the sound of cricket. Please don't make noise. I will ask one of you. You tell. Yes, that was the sound of crow. Close it. Fadi, you tell. Which creature's sound was it? Yes, very good. That was the sound of duck. Okay. Next sound. Shifan, you tell me. Which creature's sound was it? You don't know? Nicola? You don't know? Abdullah? Yes. Frog. It was. Please. It was the sound of. Now please close your eyes. Shifan, you tell me. Which animal sound it was? Say in English. What do we call it? Yes. No, all of you know the answer. Which animal sound was it? Cow. Cow. That was the sound of. Okay. Now close your eyes again. Okay, Nicola, you tell me. No. Cock.
Yes.
Or rooster. We can call it rooster. That was the sound of rooster or cock. Close your eyes. Listen. Yes, please open your eyes. I will ask. Okay, Sia, you tell me. Is it correct? Yes, that was the sound of snake. Very good. Now please close your eyes. Ayman, you tell me. Which creature's sound it was? You don't know? Okay. Nida, you tell me. Yes. That was the sound of owl. Aisha, you tell me.
Lion.
Tiger. Yes. Dear, that was the sound of. Listen. Well done, my dear little children. Very good.